Okay guys, this is the end of the theoretical of the neural network for now. You can use these things for regressions as well. This network is going to do regression as well. It has test data and lots of data you can use. Okay, let's talk about what this means. Learning rate. Let's see if it have a great picture or not. Learning rate. It have some great pictures. Okay, these are some mathematical things, but let's just for now open these two pictures. Okay, this picture open. When you are training a neural network model, think of it like you are crossing all over these lines. But the important thing is that you can't crawl on this line. The thing is you do is that you are going to jump here, jump here, jump here, jump here, jump here. If you make the learning rate a lot, your jump are gonna be bigger, and sometimes the answer are like here, like here, like here, and you jump over the answers. For example, we want to minimum the number. The answers is here. If you jump a little, it's like a lots of time to come here. But if you also jump by high learning rate, like this 1, 2, 3, you can jump over the best cost. And that is really important to use a best learning rate. And in neural network, the jumping is 3D or 4D or sometimes 5D, and that makes the things harder and harder. Okay guys, we are in the end of our theoretical, and we know all the theory we need. That's good, you understand everything very well and easily. Also, we can use something like this. I don't really care about them. In the next lesson, we are going to go back to our lab and try to write some line of codes. Have a good day.